Swami Vishkarma, please mute yourself.
Okay, students. Now the next topic is filtering data. Kindly all of you listen carefully. Listen silently and don't speak.
Find out how to filter data in MS Excel. MS Excel provides several ways to analyze data in a list. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to see, while it hides away the rest of data temporarily from the view.
Okay, students.
You can filter a list to display records that meet specific criteria by using AutoFilter command.
So filtering data means by filter data option, you can see only those records which you want to see. Which you want, only those records will be seen by filter. Means you can say filter help us to find out the records as per our choice. We can see only those records which we want. Rest of the data will be erased. Okay, now listen further. Yes, listen further.
Select any cell within the database range, say D3. Choose Data, then Filter. Small arrows will be added to each field name. The arrows are used to filter data. Click on the drop-down arrow of D3, that is, Hindi field name. Select 79 from the drop-down list. The list will get filtered and display only those records that contain the number 79 in the column. The complete data will appear in the same way. Students, let me help you with a tip here. To inactive the filter, click on Clear button, nor click on the filter symbol on the field name and select Clear Filter from Total option. Now,
Okay, students. Now let us see in MS Excel how to filter the data. Means how to find out the data as per our choice. So as here we have the Excel database. We already have created the data in the Excel sheet. Now let us select all the columns of this database. Then click on Data tab. There is given filter option. Here you can see on Data tab, filter option is given in sort and filter group. So if you click on filter option, see here you can find a drop down arrow on top of every field name. Okay, with every field name here are drop down arrow given. So how do you want to filter? By which column? Name column, class column, roll number column, marks column, or percentage or grade field. So by which column you want to filter? Kindly click on that. Suppose I want to filter according to name column. Priya Jaiswal, Siddhi Johari. Priya Jaiswal and Siddhi Johari. Don't write on the screen. Otherwise I will remove you. Kindly listen, Priya Jaiswal. Okay. Now click on name column. Here drop down arrow. As we click, we find the names. Now you have to select those names which you want to display. Rest of the names you have to remove. Suppose I want only Amit and Anand. Amit and Anand. Rest I don't want. So I will remove. I will remove Harshit, Mohan and Vijay. Now only Amit and Anand. These names are ticked. So we will click on OK button. Then only Amit and Anand will be displayed in the record. Here you can see. All the records are disappeared. Only what are there? Amit and Anand. Two records are there. In the same way, if you want to display other records, again you can click, then select all are selected. Now you can display Mohan and Vijay. So remove Anand, Amit, Harshit. Only Mohan and Vijay you want, so you can select only Mohan and Vijay. So it will display only Mohan and Vijay. See, Vijay and Mohan, both these two are displayed. In the same way, if you want to display according to class wise, so you can click on class column. Okay, first let us select all this, select all these, then click on class column. Now select the classes, which classes you want to display. You want to display only 7 class or 8 class also. So let us display only 8 class. Let us remove 7. So now you will find only class 8A. Okay, look here, only class 8A. One student is there, that is Anand. Again, if you want to display roll number wise, okay, then click on roll number, then select the roll numbers, which roll numbers you want to display. That you have to select, rest of the roll numbers will disappear. So let us select only 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us remove 1 and 4. Only 5, 6, 7. These we want to display. So we select these and click on OK. Now you will find that only 5, 6, 7. These two records are there. Okay. So this is what all about filtering, how to filter data. Now let us learn further the next topic.
Now let us find out how to use Advanced Filter in Excel. Advanced Filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields using specified criteria, or to copy the filtered records to a different location, or to find unique records. Insert at least 3 blank rows by clicking on the Home tab and selecting Insert. Then insert sheet rows above the range which is to be used as a criteria range. The criteria range must have column labels. There should be 1 blank row between the criteria values and the range. Select the range A4 is to D4 as shown in the figure 4.7. Press Ctrl+C to copy the range. Select the cell A1 and click on Paste button. Type the criteria which you want to match in the row below the column labels. Type equals to 10,000 under the field name Salary. Click on any cell in the data range. Select Data tab and click on Advanced button in Sort and Filter group. Select Copy to another location option in the Action section of Advanced Filter dialog box. The list range displays the range SA$4 $ST$13. Define the criteria range by displaying column label and criteria, that is $A, $1 is to $D, $2. Define the range and copy to $F, $6 is to $1, $6. Click on OK. The data will get filtered according to the specified condition and will be copied in the place which you have defined in Copy to Text box in Advanced Filter dialog box. Okay, let me tell you this, that the Remove Duplicates button under Data tab is used to remove duplicate value from a column.
Yes, student. Now let us learn about advanced filter. Okay. Okay. Before that, let us clear the filter option. To clear the filter option, what we can do? We can click on Data tab and there is given clear option. Let us clear. Click on clear option. As you click clear option, okay, filter option, now you can see the filter has been cleared. Now there is no filter. Now what we want? We want the advanced filter option. So for advanced filter option, what we have to do? There is simply copy option. Okay. So for that we can click on data tab. Then in the sort and filter group, there is given advanced option. You can see here advanced. So click on advanced option. Now the list range, what list range you want to copy? Select the list range. Okay. So our list range is this. Select the criteria range, advanced filter criteria. Suppose we want to copy criteria about from this to this one. Okay. 6 columns and 4 rows. We have selected 6 columns and 4 rows in the criteria range. Okay. Then select copy to location. Now copy to where we want to copy. So suppose we want to copy here, downside, here only. So let us select 6 columns and 4 rows. Okay. This is the copy range. Copy range is selected. Now let us click on OK, and you will see all the records will be copied to another location. Look here. The same records came, name, class, roll number, marks, percent, grade. The same thing came here. What we had selected, this has come here. And this only is called advanced filter. This is called advanced filter. Means in this you can select the number of records as per your choice, and then you can copy it to another location. Okay. This is called advanced filter. Let me tell once again. You can do it once again. Once again, see, kindly see carefully. Anshika Divedi, kindly see carefully. Okay. So let us first select this. This is our data. We want to filter, advanced filter. So click on data tab, select advanced option in the sort and filter group. Then select copy to another location. Then select the list range. Our list range is this only, entire data. Then click on criteria range. Criteria range means how many data you want to copy. Suppose I want to copy only 2 records. So I have selected 2 records for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 6 columns. Then let us click on copy to where we want to copy. Okay. So suppose we want to copy to this location up to 6 columns and 3 rows. Then let us click on OK. As soon as we click on OK, our records will be filtered in advanced way, or you can say our records will be copied. Look here, the records are copied accordingly, as here given name, class, roll number, marks, percent, grade. In the same way here also name, class, roll number, marks, percent and grade given, and the 2 records are given, Harshit and Vijay. Okay. So this is the way how we do the advanced filter. Have you all understood? Okay. Now let us proceed.
Students, let me share an interesting fact with you. An easy way to include a custom style from another workbook is to copy the cells formatted with that style and paste them into a new workbook. Now, let me tell you something more. Conditional formatting is the feature in Excel that sets a cell's format according to conditions that you specify. Using this option, you can change the font color, styling, etc. of the data in the selected cells. Select Home, then Conditional Formatting in Style group and specify the condition as needed. Alright, now students, let's quickly discuss the advantages of filters. Let us now learn how to use data validation.
Okay students, now listen carefully. Let us talk about conditional formatting. How to use the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting means like we want to change the color of those records which are having the marks greater than 80. So which are the columns, which are the records having the marks greater than 80? So you can see Harshit having a greater than 80 and Amit. Harshit and Amit, these are two records which are having the marks greater than 80. So this is about conditional formatting. So let us select this. Then select on home tab. On home tab, you can select here conditional formatting. Okay. Now in conditional formatting, what do you want to say? Highlight cell rules greater than, less than, between, equal to, or any other. So let us select greater than. Okay. So let us select greater than. Format cells that are greater than 48. Or this one, let us select marks. Yes. Now select, click on OK. Look here. This is a conditional formatting. Okay. Other options, let us select other options. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Cell value greater than. Okay. Now click on OK. You can see here. Now let us define our own rule. New rule we can define. What is the new rule? We can define as per our choice. Format style, 2 color scale, type, lowest value, or percent formula, what you want. Percent formula, number, value. So let us select the value 75. Okay. Then let us select greater than. Let us type greater than and select the color. What color you want? This color we want. Maximum highest value. Then click on OK. So this is the way how we do the conditional formatting. Okay. Let us apply different simple formatting only. Between 25 and 72. See, there are different conditions given. So what you select, that all will be given here. Let us write here 99. Okay, now you see all the formatting will be applied to all the cells. See here, all the cells are formatted. So I hope you all have understood conditional formatting. See once again, for conditional formatting, you can select the entire record, then click on home tab, then click on conditional formatting option, then select the option like highlight cell rules, greater than, less than. So let us select between. Okay, between from where to where? Let us select from 65 or 70. Let us select 70. 70 to 90. Let us select here 90. Okay. Then click on OK. So as you can see here, all the cells are formatted. Sometimes it does not accept. Now let us talk another topic.
Data validation is used to restrict the cell entries within the specified range.
Okay, students. Okay, time is getting over. So today's topic is over. Let me take attendance. Kindly all of you write present in the chat box. Okay, all of you write.
Sir, I have written.
Yeah, present in the chat box.
Sir, I have also written. Sir, I have sent you at the starting.
Very good. Write present in the chat box. All of you write.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
So you all have written present, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.